150
Ah, okay.
up kilo.
Ini asli ya?
Asli ternak.
Iya. Oke.
Oke.
See you later. I come later ya.
Yes. Strong. Strong.
Make me also. Okay.
Good morning, everybody. Yogi Vinodanand from Bali, Indonesia. So here is a message, wonderful message for you. See, it depends. Now, change is the law of nature. So I'm from Himalayan ranges, jungles, caves, Yogi Vinodanand. So, see, it depends. With the evolution, now for example, this garb, the importance of your garb and what's the relation with your garb, your meditation, it has hardly anything to do in the field of yoga. It's discipline that makes all the difference. Now, all is fair in love and war. I'm having some kittens and practicing yoga. For yoga, I was in need of some honey bee wax.
Okay.
So this is the place. It's for the foreigners, for the even yoga centers in Bali. Here I got the honey bee wax for making netis. So see, these are the what do you call this thing? You know, honey bee. This is your honey, and this is your we call it probably hoe. Honey bee hoe.
You can.
Yeah. So I got this wax from here. For example, it's a very important message for yoga centers, those who are making netis. This is honey bee wax.
I'll go ahead.
So,
I'll go this way.
Wait.
so this was my message for the yoga practitioners. To get your honey and your honey bee wax to make sutra neti is the best place over here. So, wonderful, wonderful. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. See, enjoy the view of the market. Om Mahakal, Mahakal. Marvelous. Same like India, we have got a place of worship here. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. So here, again, for the foreigners, those who are coming to Bali now because the flights are open, Bali is open for the flights and every minute planes are landing here on the runway of Bali, Denpasar. So most welcome for this place, the purest possible, the honey taken directly from the jungle. So, and the honey bee wax. These hoves, oh, marvelous, marvelous. So, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. What's the name of this place? This is the market. Name of this place? Ibu? Name of this place?
Market Sayan, Pasar Sayan.
Ah, Market Sayan. Oh, wonderful, wonderful. Thank you both. Thank you very much. All the best. May God bless Balinese and the Bali, the mother island. So wonderful.